What's up, y'all? Y'all know who it is. Your boy JB coming to y'all with another radio removal. 2013 Rogue Select. We're going to be taking the radio out and the backup camera with the DVD touchscreen navigation kind of deal. So first thing you guys want to do is take your panel removal tool and remove that top plate right here. It just has a clip here, clip there, and one right here at in the center. Once you take that off, you will see at the top that this is supposed to be a center channel here. Some of them have it, some of them don't, but the ones that do have a speaker in, and you got to take the speaker out because the dash kit, the speaker will be mounted to the dash. This one did not have the speaker, so I just was left with the 4 Phillips heads. I went on ahead and took them out, and now we can pull our dash piece forward. All right, so next thing we want to do is take this and put it in the lowest position, and take your panel removal tool, come right here, pop the clips. Be very careful because as you can see, this dash is one of those soft ones, so you can kind of dent it up real easy. Now we can just lay that to the side just like that, but then you see those 2 Phillips at the bottom, and then now that we got that off, we can come right here, help pull some of these clips out. I'm gonna drop this and use 2 hands, but well, might be able to do it with one. Might speed it up. There we go. Yeah, bring it up. All right. So I was able to take that out. Let me get that harness out real quick. All right, so this harness with the hazard lights. Now we just got 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips, and we're gonna go ahead and take the radio out of there. All right, so we have our radio right here. Now it's time to go ahead and wire up the other one. I'm gonna get my backup camera ran, and then we'll see what it looks like in the end. Alright guys, so that's about it. That is how everything looks put back together. Still have to put that top piece on, but either way, man, I got the backup camera working real nice. Like, why is it on this? I gotta take that display mode off, but either way, man, that's the backup camera. It's working pretty good. I'm outside testing the GPS and all that kind of stuff. But if you guys found any value in this video, don't be afraid to hit that like button. Also, if you don't want to miss any more content, make sure you subscribe for me. So until next time, it's JP signing out.